Hey guys, my name's Isaac and this is Apple Weekly, and it's gonna be a really fun one. Apple Insider OnLeaks leaked exclusively to Everything Apple Pro that Apple intends to integrate a ring flash around an iPhone camera module. A similar report came last year with this design. He's claiming this leak as one of the prototypes from January 2019 was 99% legit. There's speculation of it fitting in nicely this year due to the new TOF lens coming to the iPhone 12. Weinbach also exclusively leaked something to Everything Apple Pro, and it's a pretty big report and it's really exciting. Apparently the ultra-wide lens will let in 35% more light. Night mode will be coming to all of the camera lenses, including the front lens. Apple is working on wide angle for the front camera, but they're having software issues at the moment, so we don't know if it's going to become a reality. The aperture on the ultra-wide will go to 1.6. The battery of the 6.7-inch model, so the iPhone 12 Pro Max, is going to get a 10% battery increase. That's going to be done by, making the battery denser, compressing the logic board, better processor, all that great stuff. It's going up to 4,400 milliamps. That's fantastic. This is very necessary for the new 120 Hz display and 5G. Those are serious battery drainers, so this is very necessary. The camera is also getting a new HDR mode. An employee is calling it Smart XDR. That's just a temporary name that one person is calling it, so that's not the actual name, but it's great to hear that we're getting a new HDR. And to top off this whole report, the megapixel count is increasing for the first time in a pretty long time. It's going from 12 megapixels to 64. That's great to hear. Ming-Chi Kuo says Apple's planning on scattering lens protection for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro to help, reduce delays for the iPhones. Weinbach is also claiming that Verizon reached out to Apple and they want to create a Verizon colored iPhone. This is unlikely to happen, but it's a possibility. Ming-Chi Kuo is claiming Apple will create 6 mini LED devices within the next year. That's great to hear. We have the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, the iPad Mini, an iPad 10.2 inch, a MacBook Pro 14 inch, a MacBook Pro 16 inch, and an iMac Pro. I want to go over this a little bit more. The Pro devices, so the MacBook Pros and iMac Pro and the iPad Pro, makes total sense to bring mini LED to them, but the iPad Mini and a 10.2 inch iPad, that's a little strange considering the 10.7 inch iPad is the iPad Air. 10.2 inches is the budgeted $330 model. It doesn't make sense to bring mini LED to that device. We'll just have to wait and see if that becomes a reality. Also, a 14-inch MacBook Pro is likely to come out either this month or next month, which is really exciting. I'll be reviewing that, even though there's not much of a difference between the 16-inch and the 14-inch. The 14-inch is likely to get a refresh in December with a refresh of the 16-inch MacBook Pro to bring mini LED. So this upcoming 14-inch that's going to come within the next couple months, it's unlikely it will come with mini LED. Also in Q4 is the iMac Pro with mini LED. At the same time, it's also likely that the iMac will come out, the redesign. It's just likely the iMac Pro will get mini LED. NineTech11, they don't have a proven track record of any kind, but they are claiming the new iPhone 9/iPhone SE 2 will come in white, black, red, yellow, blue, and pink. It's a little strange. It seems like it would cannibalize some iPhone 11 sales color-wise, so we'll have to just wait and see if that becomes a reality. It's a little strange, but it's possible. And another small report, the iPhone 9, iPhone SE 2 likely will not be called either of those. It's just going to be called iPhone. It'll be confusing for a lot of people at first, but it'll adapt nicely over time. Quick question to you guys, let me know in the comments. Which of the 6 mini LED devices are you most excited for? The iPad Pro 12.9 inch? The iPad Mini, or the iPad 10.2 inch, the MacBook Pros 14 or 16 inch, or the iMac Pro? Let me know in the comments what's your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.